In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to strike through text in WhatsApp Web. We'll walk through two simple ways to do it. First with a quick keyboard trick, and then using the built-in formatting menu if you'd rather not type symbols. By the end, you'll be able to cross out any word or phrase to show edits, corrections, or emphasis while chatting from your computer. Start by opening your browser and searching for WhatsApp Web. Click the official WhatsApp Web page. You'll see a large QR code on the screen. Keep this page open. Now, grab your phone and open WhatsApp. Go to the section where you manage linked devices, choose the option to link a new device, and point your phone's camera at the QR code on your computer. In a moment, your chats will load on the web. If it doesn't connect right away, make sure both your phone and computer have a stable internet connection and try refreshing the page. For security, remember to log out of WhatsApp Web when you're done, especially on shared computers. Once you're in, click on any conversation and place your cursor in the message box at the bottom. Here's the fastest method to add strike-through formatting. Put a tilde symbol before and after the text you want to cross out. Type the tilde, then your word or phrase, then another tilde. For example, typing tilde, old price tilde will display as old price with a line through it. Be sure there aren't extra spaces right next to the tildes, or it may not format correctly. If you're unsure where the tilde is on your keyboard, it's often found by pressing Shift, along with the key that has a small backtick on it. Keyboard layouts can vary, so yours might look a little different. If you prefer not to use symbols, you can format with the context menu. First, type your full message in the chat box as you normally would. Next, highlight the specific word or phrase you want to format by double-clicking it or dragging your cursor over it. Then right-click the selected text. On some browsers, you may also see a small floating toolbar appear when text is selected. From the formatting options that appear, choose Strike-Through. You'll immediately see a line through your selected text. When it looks right, press Enter to send. That's all there is to it. Whether you use the tilde shortcut for speed or the right-click menu for precision, Strike-Through on WhatsApp Web is quick, clear, and perfect for showing edits or crossed-out ideas while you chat.